I am on round 10 now of the kids size, and in this round I will show you how to make cable B. So we start off by slip stitching 3 stitches to the left. So we basically want to get over to the next half double crochet. Okay, so you can see I'm like in the middle of this cable here in the half double crochet. Okay, I'm going to do a chain 1, and I'm going to do a half double crochet in the same stitch. When you're making your cables, all of your half double crochets are going to be made in other half double crochet stitches, and all of your post stitches are only going to be made in other post stitches. Okay, so the cable is made just like cable A. There's just a little bit of a difference, and I'm going to show you here. So we start off, we're going to skip the next 3 stitches just like we did with cable A, and you're going to do a front post double treble crochet in the next 2 stitches, and that is these 2 stitches right here. Not these 2, but these 2. Okay. There's one. Where's the other one here? Okay, we're going to do a half double crochet in the 3rd stitch that was skipped over, and that's this half double crochet right in here. So you've got 1, 2, 3. So just like we did in round 9, we're going to go in from behind those 2 completed front post double trebles and make our half double crochet. Okay, now this part's a little bit tricky. We are going to do a front post double treble crochet in the 1st stitch that was skipped over and the 2nd stitch that was skipped over. But instead of coming back over the top of these 2 stitches like we did with cable A, we're going to go under these 2 stitches and grab this stitch. Okay, so I'm going to show you here how we do this. So yarn over 3 times, go under these 2 stitches, grab the 1st stitch that was skipped over, pull it up through, pull through your work, and then complete the front post double treble stitch. And we're going to do the same thing with the 2nd stitch that was skipped over. See how it pulls this post stitch under these 2 stitches. Okay, so let's do it again. Go under these 2, grab the 2nd stitch that was skipped over, and then complete the front post double treble crochet stitch. So the cable should look like this, where these 2 post stitches here are under these 2 here. Okay, so then we do a half double crochet in the next half double crochet stitch. That's going to be right here, in between, in the middle of this cable here. Okay, so it should look like this so far. Okay, now we're ready for another cable B. And so what we're going to do, again, we're going to skip the next 3 stitches and do a front post double treble crochet in the next 2 stitches. Half double crochet in the 3rd skip stitch, which is this half double crochet right here. You can see 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're going to do our front post double trebles in the 1st and 2nd skip stitches. Yarn over 3 times, go under those 2, grab the 1st one, pull it out through there, and then complete your stitch. Oh, I think I messed up there. Okay, and do the same thing for the 2nd one. Okay, and there we have our 2nd cable. Okay, let's do one more. Okay, half double crochet in the next stitch, and that's this half double crochet in the middle of this cable. Okay, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, front post double treble in the next 2, there's 1, okay, half double crochet in the third stitch that was skipped over. Front post double treble in the first stitch that was skipped over, and then the second stitch. So reach under, grab the first, pull it through, complete the stitch. Okay, let's do it one more time. Okay, so there we have our first 3 cable B's here. You just keep going with this. You'll do a half double crochet in the next half double crochet and then a cable B. Just do this all the way around. You'll end with a cable B and you will join to the top of your first half double crochet stitch. And when you get to the last cable, you know, at the beginning of this round, you slip stitch 3 stitches to the left. We just do that as a way to move over, to start in the middle, you know, of a cable from the previous round. But anyways, the last cable, your post stitches will be made kind of below the slip stitches in the post stitches. So you'll just be working right below the slip stitches.